In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Smartsheet subscription if you've decided that you no longer need Smartsheet services, or you're simply trying to adjust your budget. Knowing how to cancel your subscription efficiently is essential. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll need to access your Smartsheet account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're logged in, things get a bit easier. Your task is to navigate the interface, starting with the left navigation bar. Here, you will find an option marked Account. Go ahead and click on that. This section of your account settings is crucial for managing various aspects of your subscription. After selecting Account, you'll want to find and click on Plan and Billing Info. This is where you'll manage all your billing information and subscription settings. Now that you've accessed the Plan and Billing section, the next step is to focus on cancelling your account. Look for the option that says Cancel Account and select it. You're now at the decisive moment where you have to decide how you want to proceed with the cancellation process. Smartsheet offers two cancellation options. The first option is to cancel at the end of your current subscription. If you choose this, your Smartsheet sheets will become read only for 30 days after your subscription ends, giving you a bit of a buffer before they are permanently deleted. This can be particularly useful if you think you might need to access those sheets one last time before they disappear. The second option is to cancel your account immediately. Selecting this will make your sheets read only right away, effectively bringing an immediate end to all editing capabilities. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to confirm your cancellation. This is the final step where Smartsheet will often ask you to complete a brief survey regarding your cancellation. Though it might seem like an additional task, completing the survey can provide Smartsheet with valuable feedback on their services, and it helps them understand users' needs better. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently cancel your Smartsheet subscription without any hitches. It's always good to review everything once more before you finalize the process to ensure everything is as you desire. If you have any questions or need further assistance after completing these steps, you can always reach out to Smartsheet's customer service for support. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to subscribe and check out our other tutorials for more useful tips.